in the latest turn of events between Armenia and Azerbaijan, Russian President Vladimir Putin has invited the foreign ministers of both the countries to visit Moscow for probable peace talks today. Now, Russia's invitation comes as there appeared to be no end to the nearly 2 weeks of fighting between Azerbaijan and ethnic Armenian separatists that has claimed over hundreds of lives in this region. Official statement issued by Kremlin said that President of Russia is issuing a call to halt the fighting in the Nagorno-Karabakh region on humanitarian grounds. Armenia has currently ruled out any possibility of a ceasefire between the two countries as tensions continue to escalate. Azerbaijan said that the city of Ganja had come under fire. Ethnic Armenians who control the region of Nagorno-Karabakh inside Azerbaijan said that Shusha had been shelled by Azeri forces. Meanwhile, a historic Armenian cathedral has now been damaged in these clashes. Armenia on Thursday accused Azerbaijan of shelling the cathedral in Nagorno-Karabakh city of Shusha. Now, however, Azerbaijan has denied these claims. The enormous cathedral, built between 1868 and 1887, of major symbolic importance for Armenian, it is the seat of the Diocese of Karabakh and suffered heavy damage during the 1990s war over the disputed region. Now, this attack comes ahead of the first meeting of international mediators over this conflict. Azerbaijan's foreign minister was to meet diplomats from France and Russia and the United States on Thursday. No statements have been from the negotiations being held behind closed doors. Armenian foreign minister is expected to hold separate talks with the diplomats on Monday. Washington, Paris and Moscow are co-chairs of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe's Minsk Group that has led mediation over Nagorno-Karabakh since 1992.